Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to talk about Alabama power of attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's just real quick. It's just a form that allows you to choose somebody else to act in your place for either financial or medical decision-making powers. Now, in Alabama, well, first off, if you want to follow along with us, or you want one of these forms, you can go right next to the instructions in the description of this video, and just click on the link, or go to powerattorneyform.com/alabama.htm. Now, there are four main Alabama power of attorney forms. There's what is a durable, a medical, general, and a limited. And we're going to go over all four real quick. At least we're going to try. And the first one, and the most popular, is the durable power of attorney form in Alabama. Now, what this does, it allows you to choose somebody else to handle all your financial powers legal in the state of Alabama. Now, what that means is you allow someone to handle anything from as small as picking up your mail to handling your real estate. And what that means when I say handling your real estate, say, for example, you're out of town, or you become incapacitated, or just anytime you're any place, that person that you select can act for you for financial decision-making powers. So you want to make sure that, especially with the durable form, that it's somebody that you can trust. This is a very popular form among the elderly. For example, if someone has Alzheimer's or dementia, this is a popular form so that you can just kind of handle their everyday bill pay, or if they're becoming more and more medically enabled to operate, it allows you to do some things, sell some assets on their behalf to maybe cover their medical bills. But this form is by far the most popular, and you want to make sure that, especially with durable, that the person that you choose is someone that you can trust. Now, the next form is the medical form. Now, the medical form sounds exactly what it is. It allows you to choose somebody else to handle all your medical decision-making powers on your behalf. Now, but the form only kicks in. It only starts working when the principal, and the principal is someone who's handing over their power, becomes medically incapacitated, which means if they're, for example, they can't think for themselves anymore because of dementia or Alzheimer's, then this form now becomes in effect. And what does it cover? Treatment decisions, medical facility decisions, and if instructed, the right to end medical treatment. But that has to be specifically said that the person has the right to do that. Now, a lot of times, most common with what we'll find on this site is that people will download both the durable and medical to cover the financial and medical part of a person's life. Now, the general form is just like the durable form, except that if the person becomes incapacitated or gets that dementia or Alzheimer's or whatever, this form becomes void. So this is much more popular among non-family members, among business partners, because as long as you're around, you know that your business partner is not going to be doing anything too crazy, usually. But the minute that the principal cannot think for themselves, this form becomes void. So again, this is very popular among business partners, giving to an attorney for situations like that. Now, the limited power of attorney form is another financial one, but it only is for specific financial powers. So, for example, it can be for anything, again, as small as, say, you just you're never around your office and you want your uh, secretary or a legal assistant to just pick up all your mail for you, um, and maybe do some banking or pick up a car for you. This just handles the smaller financial powers, and the beauty of this is that the minute that they complete their task, the form becomes void. And what are the requirements for power of attorney to become legal? You want to make sure that when you sign any of these forms that you do so in front of a notary. That's very, very important. And if you don't know what a notary is or where to find one, don't worry. There's one at every branch bank in the United States. And as long as you walk in with this form and the two people that need to sign, I've never heard of a person having an issue going in and having a notary sign. I know Bank of America will sign this form, and if you have an account, they'll do it for free, and if you don't, they'll charge anywhere from $8 to $10. But that's it. That's Alabama Power of Attorney forms explained.